Welcome to our channel. If you want to link your bank account to Coinbase using Plaid for secure and easy cryptocurrency purchases, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the process safely. Step 1. Open the Coinbase app on your smartphone or visit the Coinbase website on your computer. Log in with your Coinbase username and password. Step 2. Navigate to the Settings or Payment Methods section from the main menu. This is where you can add and manage your payment options. Step 3. Click on Link a bank account or add a payment method. Coinbase uses Plaid, a secure third-party service, to connect your bank account. Step 4. Select your bank from the list of supported financial institutions. Plaid supports thousands of banks including Chase, Bank of America, Wells Fargo, and many others. Step 5. You will be redirected to Plaid's secure login page. Enter your online banking username and password for your bank. Plaid uses bank-level encryption to protect your login credentials and does not store your password. Step 6. Complete any additional verification steps required by your bank, such as two-factor authentication or security questions. Step 7. Once logged in, select the specific bank account you want to link to Coinbase. You can choose a checking or savings account depending on your preference. Step 8. Review the permissions and information that Coinbase and Plaid will access. Plaid only reads account balances and transaction history to verify your account ownership and does not have permission to move funds without your authorization. Step 9. Confirm the link by clicking Connect or Link Account. Plaid will verify your bank account instantly, and it will appear as a linked payment method in your Coinbase account. You can now use this bank account to buy and sell cryptocurrency, deposit funds, and withdraw cash from Coinbase. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.